Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide a demo for a drug adverse drug effect defection already with the same code, same data set. We have worked with some other machine learning algorithms like logistic regression, support vector mission and Catboost. In this demo we are going to work with another machine learning algorithm. So with this particular data set, this data set I downloaded from Kaggle Happy Faces, and then I just converted it into CSV because it is in some other format. So that thing also which is provided in this channel, you can find it out. Then so we are loading our data set, and then our data set is having features like unnamed text and a label. Here the text label we will be using as the x variable, and label we will be using as the y variable. Here the text is as of string format, so we have to convert it into vector. For that we are using count vectorizer. It is given in the following steps. The info of the data is given, then we are checking whether it is having any null entries. So then we are checking the shape of the data set, and also then we are plotting or label values, that is 0 and 1, how many values of 0 and how many counts of 1 is there. Then we are making the x variable and y variable with the use of this x variable and y variable, and also by using test split function we are splitting x train, x test, y train and y test variable by using a test size as 20%. Remaining 80% will be allocated for training. Then as I said previously, we are working with count vectorizer to convert the text into vector. Then we are moving with logistic regression. Logistic regression, previously we have made a video. Here we got an confusion matrix and got an accuracy of 86%. Then we worked with the support vector mission. We then displayed the confusion matrix and also got an accuracy of 89%. Then we worked with Catboost classifier and we got the confusion matrix plot, and we have also determined the classification report, and we have got an accuracy of 86%. Then in this code we are working with passive aggressive classifier. So the I as I said is as I'm saying every time, the only difference between every classifiers is the libraries and its function. So here we are importing the library for this passive as aggressive classifier, and then we are making this classifier function uh, to a variable. That variable we are using for training and testing. Training is done by using the fit function and the training variables. Testing is done by use of the testing function and the test variables, and then we are plotting the confusion matrix by using the confusion matrix library, and then we are displaying it the confusion matrix. Then we are displaying the classification report also. By this we have got an accuracy of 84%. Then we have made a comparison of all the four classifiers which we have made so far, like logistic regression, support vector mission, cat boost and passive regression. This thing we are calling in this models. This models we are getting into a loop. Within the loop we are training the model, testing the model, and then we are displaying the metrics like accuracy, mean square error and also R2 square, and also we have displayed the printed the training accuracy and testing accuracy of all the classifiers we have made so far. So the training accuracy of logistic regression, support vector mission, then cat boost and passive aggressive classifier is also shown at the end. Then we have made a comparison table. In the comparison table we have made a highlighter. Within the highlighter, the model with the best accuracy or highest accuracy will be shown with green color, and with the least accuracy will be shown in red color. The model which we made now, that is passive aggression classifier, is showing less the accuracy with this particular data set. After support vector mission, this logistic regression takes place. After comes the cat boost, and finally the passive regression. So this is the code for drug effects, adverse effects detection with the different machine learning algorithms. In the next video we will be working with some other machine learning algorithm. Thank you.